have lived in this vicinity for 27 years, specifically this house, and I have never been able to use my backyard because of this bright, beautiful sun. When we first started looking for our pergola, we of course looked online. We got recommendations from a few of our friends, and it wasn't until my husband talked to his son, and his son he's a great researcher, by the way, looked online and found a pergola that actually opens and closes. You can let in a little beam of light, you can let in full light, you can block out all light. And that's what we were looking for. And Temo had it. It's called the Operable Pergola. All I do is push a button and the louvers are open and closed within 30 seconds. Temo was a good team to work with. I had about 8 people on call. I have all their numbers in my phone, and no matter who I got in touch with, someone always returned my phone call. So Temo was a good team to go with. If one couldn't be there, the other one picked up the slack. My husband said, you have to have this done by July 4th. Temo people were out here on July 2nd and July 4th. They were working until 10 o'clock at night. They even ran down to Home Depot and got some night lights just so they could work in the dark, just to have it done by the 4th of July for our party. I would recommend Temo 100% because they were so easy to work with and the versatility of their product. You could have a solid pergola with nothing, no options. We got a lot of bells and whistles, and you can get that through Temo. Everybody can have the same wonderful options that we do. All you need to do is call Temo. We love Temo and we love our pergola. I recommend it highly.